Welcome to our video on how to create a floor plan that works for your lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, your living space should reflect not just your style, but also your daily activities and future needs. We will guide you through essential considerations such as understanding your lifestyle, maximizing functionality, and ensuring a seamless flow throughout your home. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to make adjustments, our steps will help you design a floor plan that truly enhances your living experience. Let's get started. 1. Understanding your lifestyle needs. Creating a floor plan that suits your lifestyle starts with understanding your unique needs. Think about how you spend your time at home. Do you entertain guests often or prefer quiet evenings? Consider your daily routine and how it affects your space requirements. For example, a family with young children might need a playroom, while a couple working from home may prioritize office space. Understanding these aspects helps tailor the floor plan to your specific lifestyle. It's like customizing a suit, it needs to fit you perfectly. Keep these preferences in mind as you proceed with designing your floor plan. 2. Determining the right size. Size matters when it comes to floor plans. A spacious layout is great, but too much space can feel overwhelming and lead to higher maintenance costs. Evaluate how much space you truly need. Consider the number of bedrooms and bathrooms required for your family size. Remember, a well-designed smaller space can be more functional than a larger, poorly planned one. Imagine a tiny house that feels roomy because of smart planning. Balance your need for space with the practicalities of managing it effectively. 3. Emphasizing functionality. Functionality is key to a successful floor plan. Each room should serve a purpose and contribute to the overall flow of the house. Consider how you move through your home and ensure that the layout facilitates easy navigation. For instance, placing the kitchen near the dining area enhances convenience during meals. A functional floor plan also considers storage needs, ensuring there's ample space for belongings without clutter. It's about creating a home that works for you, not against you. 4. Incorporating flexibility. A flexible floor plan adapts to your changing needs over time. Life is unpredictable, and your home should be able to accommodate these changes. Consider multi-purpose rooms that can serve different functions as needed. For example, a guest room could double as a home office. Flexibility also means designing spaces that can be easily modified in the future, like adding partitions to create new rooms. Think of your floor plan as a living, breathing entity that evolves with you. 5. Maximizing natural light. Natural light can transform a home, making it feel more inviting and spacious. When planning your floor layout, consider window placement to maximize sunlight. Large windows or skylights can brighten up living spaces and improve mood and productivity. Think of how a sunlit room feels compared to a dimly lit one. Incorporating natural light also helps reduce energy costs, making it an eco-friendly choice. Prioritize well-lit spaces in your floor plan for a more vibrant living environment. 6. Prioritizing privacy. Privacy is essential, especially in shared living spaces. Consider how your floor plan can enhance privacy for each family member. Bedrooms should be positioned away from noisy areas like the living room or kitchen. For home offices, ensure they're located in quieter parts of the house to minimize distractions. Imagine trying to work with constant interruptions, it's not ideal. Thoughtful design can ensure everyone enjoys their personal space without compromising on comfort. 7. Optimizing traffic flow. Efficient traffic flow is vital for a functional floor plan. Consider how people will move through the house and arrange rooms to facilitate seamless movement. Avoid narrow hallways or awkward room placements that disrupt the flow. Picture a bustling family morning. Everyone needs to move quickly and efficiently. A well-thought-out floor plan minimizes congestion and enhances daily living. Ensure that paths between rooms are intuitive and unobstructed. 8. Balancing aesthetics and practicality. A beautiful home is desirable, but it shouldn't come at the expense of practicality. Balance aesthetics with functionality in your floor plan. Choose designs that are visually appealing yet serve a purpose. For instance, open-plan kitchens are trendy but may not suit everyone's lifestyle. Think of how a sleek design can also be user-friendly. Striking this balance ensures your home is both stylish and livable. 9. Considering future needs. Plan for the future when designing your floor plan. Consider how your needs might change over the years. Will your family grow, or will you require additional space for hobbies or activities? Future-proofing your layout can save time and money in the long run. It's like buying a car with enough room for a growing family. Anticipate changes and incorporate potential expansions or modifications into your design. 10. Involving a professional designer. While DIY projects can be rewarding, consulting a professional designer can provide valuable insights. Designers have the expertise to translate your needs into a cohesive floor plan. They can offer creative solutions you might not have considered. Imagine having a guide to navigate complex design challenges. A professional can ensure your floor plan aligns with building codes and regulations, providing peace of mind. Collaborate with an expert to bring your vision to life efficiently and effectively.